My name is Jacob Maskel, and I am majoring in the wind energy program. The thing that I like the best about wind energy is I really like the heights. Can't wait to be 300 feet up and be able to see for miles, just in every direction. I can't wait for that to be my office. Coming back the second time, I feel like I wasn't just going through the motions of going to school. I was actually doing something that I was passionate about. Like I wanted to come back to school. I wasn't just going because my parents were telling me to. There have been a lot of mental struggles after going to school one time already and it not working out so well. I came into this year not knowing if I was going to be good or not knowing if I was going to do well in school. I was definitely very nervous and I was doubting myself a lot coming in. The program has really just taken a hold of me and I feel like I've found a place. Greg has really helped me to fit into this program and he's made it interesting and he's really pushed me and all of my classmates to do well in our classes and really work with each other. Not just by ourselves as students, but as members of the field that we will be a part of.